What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Linktree. As you can see on the screen, I've already created a testing profile just to show you guys. And I'll be going ahead and demonstrating the same process for you guys. Linktree is a tool majorly used for your Instagram marketing. In today's Linktree for Beginners tutorial, we will learn how to create Linktree link. I'm going to show you how to do Linktree sign up, and in this Linktree tutorial we will also learn how to use Linktree. Without wasting any further time, let's get into this Linktree description video. Let's start. As you can see, I'm on the Linktree website. You can either go ahead and sign up, or if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up through my Google account over here. Once that is done, it is going to ask you for your username. I'm going to go ahead and say test bearded geek. Let's see whether that profile name is available. Yes, it is available. So your profile will show as Linktree/test bearded geek or whatever username you select. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, they're going to ask you to tell something about yourself, and that is first thing is your name. As this is a demonstration process, I'm just going to say test. You can write your own name and then select the category basically that best describes your Linktree. As my channel is related to tech, I'm going to click on tech, and the subcategory I'm going to go ahead is social media, since I do a lot of social media marketing videos. And I'm going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to ask you for the plan that you want to go ahead and select. It's quite cheap as the starter plan. As you can see, it's 150 INR as a starter one on an yearly basis. But I'm going to go ahead and select the free plan. Join for free. And that's it. We have completed Linktree sign up. Let's continue to my Linktree. Once we land up on this page, it's going to show you the 4-step process that you need to cover for creating your Linktree account. So first one is add a link. You click on add the link and you need to set up the account that you want to go ahead and drive them for. For example, if I have a YouTube channel, I want to drive the traffic to my YouTube channel, I will click on add the link for my YouTube. I already have the links which I have noted down on my profile on the notepad here. So I'm going to go ahead and select a title as the video title that I have, text to video for free. And there's a URL for that particular video, which I'm going to go ahead and add here. Now the next thing, it's going to ask you whether you want people to watch this particular video on your Linktree account or you want them to be sent to the YouTube website. I'm going to go ahead and keep it as link off to YouTube website, as it's going to be an indicator for the YouTube algorithm that I'm driving traffic from outside the website, which is a good thing for my channel. The next thing that I'm going to do is add a thumbnail over here so that it grabs the attention of the user. It's either going to ask you to upload your own thumbnail or choose from the tabular icons. I'm going to add my own thumbnail, and in this process I'm going to upload it from my desktop. Now I'm going to crop it the way I want it and upload it. If you want the entire image to be a part of it, make sure that you resize the particular thumbnail, the YouTube thumbnail, in a 1:1 ratio, that is the square format. Once that is being done, you can see there is a preview over here which we can see on the right hand corner. I'm going to add a couple of other links as well, and I'm also going to add a header. Now in a header title, you need to just tell about yourself. So I'm just going to write the bearded geek, and I'm going to move ahead to add another link. This time I'm gonna go ahead and add a Reddit profile. That is my own Reddit profile. So I already have a link for that as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and paste the URL for my Reddit profile. Now over here as well, it is gonna give me an option to add the thumbnail, but I'm not gonna do that in this case. Another option it's going to ask you is whether you want the user to go directly to the URL or display a preview of your Reddit profile. I would again consider them going directly to the URL, as it's going to be a good symbol for the Reddit algorithm. You can make the changes as per you want in terms of, this is basically how now you can add and automatically expand one link, which is going to be an upgrade now button. So you'll have to go ahead and get the paid plan for that. But before that, let me just reorder them. So I want my title to be on top. As you can see on the right hand side corner, it's a Bearded Geek is over here. After that, there is my Reddit profile which is displayed, and then there is the YouTube video. If you have watched the video till now, I'm sure that you're enjoying this particular video. I would really appreciate if you click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done that. Now this was about adding the link. Now let's complete our profiles. I'm gonna click on the second step here. And we end up on the Linktree appearance tab, as you can see here. Over here, you can pick an image, whatever you want right now. I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. And you can select the profile title that you want. I'm just gonna keep it as test bearded key, and you can write whatever bio you want. Like for example, I make videos about social media marketing. It gives you 80 characters, so make sure that you use them carefully and utilize it correctly. It's gonna give you a prompt to join the pros in order to go ahead and change the preview of your account. However, the appearance, we can go ahead and there are plenty of free templates as well that you can go ahead and use. For example, if you click on this Iris particular profile, it's gonna turn your profile into one. There are multiple options. If you don't like the jazzy colors, you can also go ahead and click air gray or this blank profile ones. Further, it's gonna give you an option to customize your appearance. For example, the color of the background. If for example, if you don't want the plain background, you can go ahead and play it in a gradient format, and it's gonna automatically update it that way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and select the color for this one. Let's say I do a yellow. And as we are making the changes, it is automatically changing here. It's also going to ask you for the button styles. Let's keep them this oval shaped. And the button color. I'm going to make this bright red. And I'm going to make the font color as white so it is readable on the red color. You can select the font that you want. Select this and the color of the font again. This was about your Linktree appearance. Once you're done with this, you can move to the Linktree analytics, but most of the features in the Linktree analytics are for the paid versions. So if you want to upgrade, that's okay, that's up to you, but for the free version as well, it works wonders. Once all this is done, you can go ahead and simply click on the share button here. Now it gives you a couple of options. For example, if you want to go ahead and directly add it to your social handles, share it to my Linktree, make this Linktree QR code, or open your Linktree. It also allows you to go ahead and copy the URL for your Linktree page. So you can go ahead and directly put it on your Instagram bio and start driving the traffic from your Instagram profile to your Linktree profile. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the Linktree works or looks. And this is how our Linktree looks. This is the similar one that I created from my another account. And I'm on my Instagram profile right now. You can just edit the profile here, and instead of that link like currently that I have is the YouTube link, I can go ahead and add as my website for this particular link for Linktree. As you can see, I have this my YouTube channel link right now, but we can go ahead and edit it and just make it as a Linktree link. So that was my video about Linktree. How to sign up on Linktree, how can you use Linktree, how to create your Linktree link. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future updates. I will see you the next time. Till then, keep